Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed that we've got a bunch of different projects that you can either teach or learn for yourself, like the photo editor, which if you press the green flag and go to the photo editor and you press the whirl, makes so that this thing moves around quite a bit. Now, I want to show you another neat idea of how you can use effects like this that somebody else used in their project. All right, so the project that we're going to look at is called Koi Nobori, and it is by Tempura Udon. So if I press the green flag, it makes it look like these are moving in the wind. So this is a pretty neat effect, but let's see the code that they use to make this work. So if we go inside and we take a look at this, we've got it so that we have a whirl effect and a fisheye effect. And this is applied to this costume to make it look like that. Now for the streamers, we've got some different effects as well that's making them move. So it's making a clone of each one of these different parts of the flag, which you can now see on the screen. And it is making it so that it whirls and does a fisheye at the same time. So they all have the same type of effect for each one of these, but it's applied to different parts of it. So this is just one layer, the red one, then the yellow one is one layer, and then each of these three flags is one layer as well. So that, I thought, was a really neat idea for how you can make something move, or an animation, by combining different effects like you see in the photo editor project. If you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. And if you want to learn how to create a project like this, make sure you check out the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.